Hey guys, I'm here to tell you about an exciting new product by Site Recon. We've recently launched our new app, Plato, which is your scribe in the field. Plato is a great product for taking notes, taking site photos, documenting anything that you need to, either on site or remotely. You can connect to any property that you have mapped, leave a note for your crew, leave a note for your client, and business developers can use it to take notes while you're on a property walk. I just zoom in on the property, take a quick note, like I want to detail the shrubs. Take the photo of which shrubs. Verify. I can assign the task to either my crew member or my production manager, and done. Your note's taken and it's geotagged on the property, and that way your crew member who's in charge of working on this property knows exactly which shrubs and exactly where on the property the issue is. If you're a business developer, you can use this on a property walk. If the client mentions something about a particular detail or area they want serviced, you can make note of that and make note of the location as well. So it's a great app, able to be used wherever you have an internet connection. If you get a call from the office, you can leave a note for the crew that's going to be servicing this property later in the day, all without having to try and meet the crew on site. Save time on your end to focus on the high value operations that provide the best return for your time in your day-to-day.